When we make software, we're going to make mistakes. It's a good thing that Git saves a snapshot of what our code looks like, so we can always roll back to a previous commit. So let's check this by making a few changes to our code. I'm in the same project folder as earlier, and I'm going to add ideas.txt to it using the touch command. So I'm going to open up the same file in Sublime, and I'm going to write in it, "This is a good idea," and save that. So I'm going to check Git status. Looks like we modified ideas.txt. I'm going to add that file and commit it. And let's call it good idea. Great. I'm going to check Git log to make sure it's in there. Looks like our last commit was good idea. And now I'm going to open it up in Sublime again, the same file, and write 2 lines under, "This is a bad idea," and save that. Check Git status, and I've modified ideas.txt, and I'm going to add it again, so add the file and commit it, and I'm going to say oops. Great, now I'm going to check the log. So it looks like my previous commit before this was good idea, and my last commit was oops. Now, what if I don't want this last commit? I no longer want oops. I want to go back to good idea and what my file looked like back then. So in this case, we're going to revert our last commit. And just as it said, we can use git revert. And to this command, we're going to add --no--edit. Now what this does, it prevents a text editor from opening inside terminal. Git opens up a text editor that's quite difficult to navigate through in order to commit a message. So adding this --no--edit just allows Git to use a default message when committing to revert. And in addition to this command, we need to specify which commit we want to revert. So in this case, it's oops, right? So that we can see it over here that this commit number commit type is 8E44. So we're just going to add that to our message, 8E44, to specifically revert oops. Great, it reverted oops. And we can double check that by checking our Git log. Looks like we had good idea as a commit, then oops as a commit, and then we reverted oops. Great, that's exactly what we wanted. Now let's double check ideas.txt to make sure we're back at this stage, good idea. Great, idea.txt no longer has "this is a bad idea" and only includes "this is a good idea," which means we successfully reverted.